Hi, today I want to continue with an introduction to the Windows 8.1 that I've got on a new device. I've done a few things since the last video. One of the simple things is that I've added an account picture to my login. You basically just click on the account picture menu choice and you can browse to your local or home group computers and load up a different photograph, or you can take one with the camera, or you can add from your people. You can also change your sign-in options here. You can use a password, sign in to your PC using a favorite photo or a 4-digit PIN. Password policy, require password after the display is off, and you can choose never require, always require, or up to 15 minutes. If we go back to the start menu, I've also installed a few apps that I find are absolutely necessary. I've got the Adobe Reader Touch version, which I got from the App Center. I've also added a couple of the Dell bits and pieces. McAfee All Access from McAfee. And I've installed Microsoft Office 2013 from my online account. If we just go over and have a look at that, I've loaded up Internet Explorer on the desktop because one of the other applications that I've installed is something called RoboForm, which stores all my passwords and shares them between my computers. And you get to see the full Internet Explorer from the desktop so that you can use this facility. And if I just sign in here, let you see what actually happens with RoboForm. And I have 5 licenses available on this Office 365 subscription that I have, and you would simply go to download software. If you were on a phone or tablet other than the one that I'm using, you can get the apps OneNote and Link, which is a message and call program that's included with the subscription. What I did is go to the Office version and just simply clicked on install, and it's asking me, do you want to run or save, set up x86, so on, blah blah blah. And it's the Pro Plus version. Downloaded that, and ran it from the desktop of my tablet system, and installed it that way. Just going to close that because I've already installed it. I'll just log out of there now. Let's just close that down. Go back to the start menu, down to the apps. And as you can see, I've installed the complete Microsoft Office suite that I have access to, including Access, Excel, Link, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, SkyDrive Pro, which gives me 25 gigabyte of storage on my account, Microsoft Word, and you can see the RoboForm installation here. That just about covers what I've done since the last video. I also want to mention that you can access the applications that you already have open by going to the top left corner and just hovering there. It will bring up the applications that you have open already, and of course you can click on Start to go to the desktop. On the desktop I've just added a couple of shortcuts, one to this PC, which is the equivalent of the computer symbol that you would see on other versions of Windows, and I've also added a link to my home group so that I can see shared information on other computers. I moved the recycle bin down to the bottom right hand corner out of the way so that I don't mistakenly delete bits and pieces that I actually need. And that just about covers it for this tutorial. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching.